So how much can you make if you have 50,000 subscribers on YouTube? Now in this video, I'm gonna show you 2 ways to actually make money with YouTube and how you can start making money even if you have 0 subscribers, you have no experience, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can start making money with a small channel. And I'm gonna give you a complete inside look of my complete business and my YouTube channel so you can copy and paste this exact same model. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of this channel is to teach you how to build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. Now, I personally worked a 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer that I absolutely hated. I started my online business, and within 9 months of starting, I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job and achieve financial and time freedom. So the purpose of this channel is to help you get out of your 9-to-5 job so you can achieve that financial freedom. So if you're interested in learning more, please subscribe to my channel. Guys, I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's get into it. All right, everyone. So I'm really excited about this video because I'm going to break down how much does my channel actually make. More importantly, how much does a channel with 50,000 subscribers make? And I think you're going to be surprised because I think what a lot of people think is when they're starting a YouTube channel, they have to have millions and millions of views. Well, that's absolutely not true. And I'm going to prove that to you guys in this video. But the most important thing is I'm going to show you how you can start a YouTube channel from complete scratch and start making money online, even if you have 0 subscribers. Now, before I show you how much I actually make with YouTube, I want you to understand you don't actually have to be on camera or use your own voice. You can literally create a YouTube channel without ever showing your face. Let me show you. Because if you ever wanted to create a channel and you're just scared of getting on camera, that's totally okay. Here's the solution here is you can create these faceless videos and you never ever have to get on the camera, and you can make money with these type of channels. Now, yes, I do recommend that you do create a channel where you do show your face, but if there's absolutely no way for you to do that, then go to a faceless channel, learn the skills, and when you get comfortable, you can eventually create a channel where you then show your face. But what I'm saying is I don't want you to miss this opportunity of YouTube of not being able to show your face because you're just scared of getting on camera. So I would highly recommend that you start a YouTube channel, whether you're showing your face or you're not showing your face. I'm going to show you why it's so powerful in today's video. Now, guys, as you can see here, these are actually my faceless channels, and we use this because I like having extra YouTube channels because I know the power of YouTube, and we use these to not only generate more income, but also build our email list and to make more money. Now, there are 2 major ways that you can actually make money with YouTube, and I'm going to show you exactly how. All right, so the first method is YouTube ad revenue. This is when people click on your video and an ad pops up. Now, YouTube will actually pay you when people watch the ad or click on the actual ad. Now, as far as how much you're going to make, it widely varies on your niche, okay? Now, let's just say you're in a high-paying niche like affiliate marketing, make money online, stocks. You're typically going to make anywhere between $10 to $20 per 1,000 views. So this is the first way. This is how I would say 95% of YouTubers actually monetize their channel. Now, this is not my favorite way to do this. I'm going to show you why. I'm going to show you inside my YouTube channel here. This is the month of March, okay? This is just 1 month. Now, as you can see here, I'm making about $2,300 for the month, which is good, right? That's a lot of money. But you can make a lot more money in a different way. I'm going to show you exactly how, but you're going to make a lot less money if you're just focusing on ad revenue. Okay. So if we're just focusing on ad revenue, I'm just going to put $2,000 per month. Now, of course, guys, I'm just talking about 50,000 subscribers because that's how much subscribers my channel has. And it really depends on what your channel is and your niche, but I'm just going to show you proof of my channel and how much we're making in the month of March. Now, the second way to make money with your YouTube channel, and this is the one that I highly recommend, and that is affiliate marketing. Okay, I'm gonna explain why. Now, one thing to note about affiliate marketing is I was actually able to make 6 figures with my YouTube channel before I even had 1,000 subscribers. Now, that's important to note because with YouTube ad revenue, which is the first way I mentioned, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you're able to make any money at all. But the second way with affiliate marketing, you could literally start making money with your first video and with 0 subscribers. Now, the reason affiliate marketing is so powerful is because now we can create content on YouTube, and the goal is to now send people from YouTube to a place where people can send us their emails. Okay, so this is something I call an opt-in page. All right, and I'll show you exactly how this works, but basically there's some writing here and a place where people can enter their email. Now, why do we do this? Because now that we build our email list, we can now promote other people's products. Okay, so essentially what I do is I create videos on YouTube and I get people to an email list where I now own it, and now I could promote multiple products. And the cool thing is I can promote multiple products, not just one, with this email list, because once people enter their email, it goes into my email database. So as you can see here, now I have this database of emails, and now I could send emails to these people anytime I want. So now I can basically send, to product number 1, product number 2, product number 3, and so on, right? And we're making more money with our YouTube channel, right? So you can see the power of this, because now we're not just focusing on YouTube ad revenue, we're focusing on affiliate marketing. Now I want to show you proof of this inside of my business. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the month of March. Okay, and we've done over $385,000. This is just one merchant account. Now if you look at this one here, you can see $42,000 in the month of March. Here's another program here, about $1,600. And then another one here, which as you can see, the last 30 days, $5,000, and it goes on. And I have multiple programs where I'm making money with my YouTube channel. Okay, as you can see last month with this program here, $1,500 here. And that's the power of affiliate marketing, is you're not only making money with YouTube ad revenue, which if you recall, I was only able to do about $2,300, whereas with affiliate marketing, this allowed me to make about $500,000 in that month. Okay, now obviously it depends on how you monetize your channel and how you build your email list, but the most powerful thing about this is I'm building my email list. Now this is something I call the affiliate stacking ecosystem. This is exactly how I set up my business. As you can see here, it's the same thing I just showed you. Is essentially I create these YouTube videos and I get people to this opt-in page or this landing page where I can then collect their emails. Okay, and this is really powerful because I create this database of emails where I could promote multiple products, as I showed you, right? There's ClickFunnels, there's this Jasper, System.io, GetResponse, and I have over 30 plus products that I personally promote. And the reason I'm able to do that is because of this affiliate stacking ecosystem. So what I want you to understand is creating a YouTube channel is one of the most powerful things on this planet, because you're not only creating content that is going to die out like TikTok or Facebook or Instagram. Those are great platforms and I use them myself. But the problem is when you post a piece of content, they only last a few days, maybe a week, whereas a YouTube video will last for years and years and years because it's a search engine. And that's what you need to understand as a complete beginner. You can start a YouTube channel and start making money if you know how to find the proper keywords and know how to rank those videos on top. Now, if you're interested in how to use YouTube to monetize your channel, even if you have 0 subscribers, even if you've never started a YouTube channel, then I want to invite you to my challenge where I'm going to show you exactly how to build this YouTube channel, but more importantly, how we build this affiliate stacking ecosystem where you can start making money on the back end. I'm going to leave a link to that down in the YouTube description down below. I'm going to show you exactly step by step, click by click, how you can start this for yourself, even if you're starting out, even if you're working a 9-to-5 job and you only have a few hours to put into this every single day. Now guys, I hope this video was of value. I hope you can see the power of YouTube no matter where you are in subscribers. As I mentioned, when I first started, I didn't even have 1,000 subscribers and I was able to monetize that to my first 6 figures. And that's what I want to help you do as well. So guys, I hope this video was of value. Please subscribe if you did find any value in this video, and we'll see you inside the challenge. God bless.